The standard Amazon Prime membership price is usually set as a flat subscription, but most people don't realize there are several legal ways to lower the cost, or get part of it subsidized through timing plans or bundled services. By the end, you'll know 5 practical ways people reduce what they pay for Prime, when each method actually works, and which options are realistic versus ones that only apply in specific situations. First way is sharing benefits through Amazon's Household Setup. Amazon Household allows eligible members in the same household to share certain Prime benefits, which means one subscription can often cover more than one user if set up correctly within the rules. Second way is switching between billing cycles. Amazon Prime sometimes offers monthly or annual billing, and the total cost changes depending on how you choose to pay, with annual plans usually reducing the effective monthly cost compared to paying month by month. Third way is using promotional trial periods. Amazon often runs free trial periods for new users, which lets you access full Prime benefits temporarily without paying, especially during major shopping seasons or student onboarding periods. Fourth way is student or young adult pricing programs. In some regions, Amazon offers discounted Prime access for eligible students, which reduces the subscription cost compared to the standard plan, as long as eligibility requirements are met. Fifth way is bundling Prime with other services or carrier deals. Some telecom providers or bundled subscription offers include Prime access as part of a larger package, meaning you indirectly pay less for Prime by splitting the cost across services. The key detail across all of these methods is that savings usually come from eligibility or timing, not from hidden discounts inside the app itself. Prime pricing is consistent, so the only real way to pay less is by qualifying for a different version of the plan, or reducing how many people need their own separate subscription. Most people overpay because they automatically renew the same plan every year, without checking if they still qualify for discounts or better billing options. The simplest step is reviewing your current plan type and checking whether you're paying monthly, when an annual option or shared household setup would reduce your total cost. Like and subscribe for more clear breakdowns of subscriptions and apps, so you stop paying full price for services you can legally get cheaper.